Here's the Grand Portico building at 322 apartment 4 on Taylor Avenue. Combo lock to get in. It's a 4th floor apartment. All the apartments in the building are the same, 3-bedroom units. This has original wood floors, 10-foot ceilings, plaster. Real nice, old original hardwood and trim. This is the front bedroom. They all have a front porch and a rear porch and an off-street parking in the back. Nice front porch with a view. See, that's a 316, 318. Here's 320 and 322. And that's when the leaves are out. Closet, you got a light in there too. Here's bedroom 2. Another closet. And bedroom 3. Your heat, hot water, and water are included here. There is a laundry room downstairs. It's operated by an application. Download the app and load money to it. All commercial grade washer and dryers. There's definitely not a shortage of closet space in here. There's a living room, a little breakfast bar, granite countertops. Gas stove. Here's a rear balcony. You have a parking lot down there. Enough for at least one car there and an on-street parking. But then when there's some students in the building, so there'll be more spots available as well. But you can walk down here as well to the back. You have steps to go all the way down. All right, if you're interested in this property, just go to the website, parasoleproperties.com, the P-A-R-A-S-O-L-E, properties, plural, I-E-S.com. Submit an application on the homepage, and we'll be in touch by next business day with further instructions on how to view the property. It is a nice place. Get your exercise in for sure.